This is a good look. I feel like I'm about to go to Mars. I'm Skyler Bouchard, a food blogger and beauty enthusiast with a genuine curiosity for how the two go hand in hand. Avocados have been trendy for what seems like forever, and I don't think they're disappearing from the food or beauty scene anytime soon. Today I'll be going to Yarog Beauty Kitchen to get an avocado hair mask, and then I'll be going home to do my very own. This is Treat Yourself with Skyler. The good old avo. These fruits, yes, they're fruits, are packed with nutrients and do wonders for the body. The healthy fats found in avocados are high in fiber, promote eye health, and are great for maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. AKA, these are the fatty foods that your body should be eating. But avocados are also great when they're applied onto your skin. They are rich in vitamin C and E, which help maintain skin's elasticity and firmness. In addition, avocado is also an excellent moisturizer and protector for the hair. Avocado's monounsaturated fatty acids can help protect hair from breaking and from sun damage, which is what we'll be exploring today.
Hi, I'm Mordecai. I'm the founder of Yarog and Yarog Beauty Kitchen in New York City. Avocado is one of the healthiest fruits for your hair. The avocado nut is so beneficial for scalp and hair because it's rich in fatty acids. After the treatment, Skyler's hair will look amazing. Not only it will detoxify all the product buildup, she's gonna see how it's gonna revive and she's gonna get all this shine out of it. We're gonna make your special potion and we're gonna apply it, massage your head.
Oh, I need that right now.
I'm using half avocado. Now I'm gonna use some organic coconut cream, almond butter. Feed Your Color is the one that we chose. It's gonna not only protect the color, but it's gonna enhance it, give it lots of shine. Smell this.
I wanna eat that.
Beautiful.
That smells great.
You'll feel the difference right after we finish. We're going to go and put you into the steam now. You're gonna steam. That's like also a great process for you. Are you ready for shampoo?
I'm so ready for shampoo.
Let's do it. We give you a shampoo and then we use the last potion for the treatment.
Okay.
Skyler, how do you feel? What do you think?
It looks so great. Usually when I get blowouts, my hair is really dry and coarse, but I can tell it's so shiny and soft, so I'll definitely be using avocado in my hair routine. Thank you so much. After my treatment at Yarog, my hair still feels so silky and looks super shiny. I highly recommend this treatment for anyone who has access to a salon quality avocado mask, but for those of you who don't, do not fret. This is super easy to make on your own, and that's what we're gonna be doing today. For this hair mask, you will need 2 avocados, a half a cup of olive oil, a few drops of orange essential oil, and a blender. So first I'm gonna have this avocado. You're gonna put the avocados in the blender. Then you're gonna add your half a cup of olive oil. And then I'm just gonna add a few drops of orange essential oil for scent. And now we blend. Our hair mask is ready. All right. As if I wasn't already obsessed with avocados, I am now confident and unashamed that I can, in fact, bathe in this stuff. And it's good for me. My hair looks and feels incredible, and above all, it's being protected. So the next time you get an eye roll for ordering avocado toasted brunch, school the haters with a health lesson. And indulge, my friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Do you have an edible hair mask you want me to try? Let me know in the comments below. To subscribe to Food Network, click here, and to watch more videos, click here. See ya!